guys, so here's the mic test, sound test. I'm on just a digital SLR camera right now. Nikon D5300 is what I'm recording on. I have the lens set to manual so you don't have the focus in and out. So this is the onboard mic for the camera itself. So now I'm going to go to the wired one and let you hear the difference in that one. Alright, so now we're on the wired lavalier mic that I hang from the ceiling. It's about maybe 20, 30 inches off the table, hanging down from the ceiling. So here's how this sounds with the wired lavalier mic. And now I'll do the wireless one so you can hear what that sounds like. Okay guys, so now I got the wireless mic on. Took a little bit of getting it to work right and whatnot, but some settings. Had to go in and turn the volume down on the camera a little bit to like 9, and the volume on the receiver that's on the camera for the mic I turned down to 3, I think. So hopefully this sounds okay. It gives you kind of a comparison of all 3 sound modes. Hope this helps you out, and hit the subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. Thanks. Bye.